so we got our chicken brown and we got our sausage brown. Now we're gonna start with our onions. Get them in there, all right? Get our onions going. And I want to get a little more oil here, a little more olive oil. We need some olive oil going here. There we go. Beautiful olive oil color. All right, and then I'm going to come back over here to my board, and Anthony will back up and show you. I'm going to cut our peppers into some strips. I think I'm going to leave them fairly long today, like this, okay? And I have 3 different colors. You can use just green if you like, or one color, whatever you like. I like to mix up the colors so that way we get different colors going. And I have red too here, some nice red ones. Red one. There's not a lot that goes in this, and you're serving it over pasta, so you've got to make sure you make enough sauce when you're making your sauce. So let's get our onions mixed up here. It's starting to smell like onions. We'll get these going. And what I'm going to do here is add a little bit of salt on our onions. Okay? And I'm going to start to layer things. Now we like the taste of the Italian sausage, and we like it with extra fennel seeds, okay? And fennel has a beautiful anise taste to it. And these seeds will melt away when you're making your sauce, so you don't even need to worry about it. They do add a lot of flavor to your dish. And then let's add some more of this Italian seasoning, because we want Italian seasoning here. There we go. And then I'm not going to season any more now until I get the sauce going. And I'm going to get the sauce when I get there. I'm going to get some of this peppers right in here, like this. And then I'm going to mix everything up so we get everything going.
They're kind of whole, huh?
I left them nice and long so we could see the beautiful colors here.
Otherwise they fizzle up.
Yeah, they go away. So this way we got some nice colors going. We got our onions going. All right, we're getting there good. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add our sausage back in, right there. Sausage, there's our sausage. And then I'm going to add our chicken right on top of that. Juices it all, look at that, beautiful sausage and chicken. Okay, but now I need the sauce, right? So I said we're going to use marinara sauce. That's exactly what I'm going to use. Here we go, marinara sauce. About a cup is good. Alrighty, and if you need to get more sauce, use chicken broth, okay? And then I'm going to come over here with some good, nice, beautiful red wine, everybody. Right across this like this, some red wine, maybe a little more. We'll get a good half a cup.
A good splash.
A good splash, yeah. And then we're going to get this all mixed up together here. Because remember, I've got to have a sauce. You've got to be wet enough. I smell the wine. You've got to be wet enough here with this so that you can have a sauce over your pasta, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is just do this very simply this way. Is I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to bring my chicken broth over here. Whoops, that got away. I'm gonna bring my chicken broth over here and put the lid on. And when we come back, we'll show you how it's cooking. So now all the flavors can meld together and your vegetables will get beautifully tender, and then we'll be ready to eat. So there we have it. Okay, this is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll see you in a bit. Out!